In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to initialize GPU in DaVinci Resolve. If you open Resolve and see an unable to initialize GPU message, it usually means your graphics driver is outdated or Windows is trying to run Resolve on the wrong graphics processor. We'll quickly get you back up and running by updating your GPU drivers and telling Windows to always use the high-performance GPU for Resolve. Begin by downloading the newest drivers straight from the official website for your graphics card, NVIDIA or AMD. Avoid third-party driver sites. On the NVIDIA site, look up your GPU model and download the latest driver appropriate for your version of Windows. On the AMD site, do the same for Radeon graphics. If the site offers an automatic detect tool that can simplify the process, run the installer you download and follow the prompts. Choose a clean or express install if offered, and allow the installer to complete without interruption. When it finishes, restart your computer if prompted so the new driver loads properly. After updating, open the Windows search bar and type Graphics Settings. Open the Graphics Settings panel that appears. This is where you can tell Windows which GPU an app should use when more than one is available, such as on many laptops that have both integrated and dedicated graphics. In Graphics Settings, add DaVinci Resolve if it is not already listed. Choose to add a desktop app, then click Browse. Navigate to the folder where Resolve is installed and select resolve.exe. The default path is typically on your system drive under Program Files, then Blackmagic Design, then DaVinci Resolve. Select the Resolve application file and add it to the list. Once Resolve is listed, click it, choose Options, and set it to High Performance. This forces Windows to launch Resolve on the dedicated GPU rather than any integrated chip. Confirm the change and close the window. Now launch DaVinci Resolve again. In most cases, the error disappears immediately because Resolve can access the correct graphics hardware with the freshest driver. If you still see the message, double check that the driver install completed successfully and that Resolve.exe is indeed set to high performance and graphics settings. That's the entire process. Updating the driver and assigning high performance are the key actions that resolve this issue for the vast majority of systems. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you editing smoothly again.